Good night, everyone. My name is Santos. I'm a member of the campaign Fight Against Alcoholism here in San Pedro Sula, and I'm very happy to be here this night. I'm here to develop a workshop. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, um, it's about alcohol. First of all, we need a time to know each other. So I want to start with this question. And what do you know about alcoholism? Is alcohol bad? Do you have family member who suffer from alcoholism? Well, alcoholism it's a disease that affect our body and our mind due to the abuse of drinks that contain alcohol. Alcoholism is the inability to control alcohol consumption due to physical and emotional dependence. Symptoms of alcohol addiction are anxiety to consume it, loss of control, inability to stop drinking, and physical dependence. Why avoid alcohol in your life? Why this is important? Well, living a healthy life away from all substances that cause harm to your body will allow you days on this earth to be more pleasant. It's not worth having a sick body and intoxicated by harmful substances such as alcohol. Your mind will be lucid and clear. You will have complete control of your body and your life. You will be able to enjoy your family, your studies, and you will love life more. Avoid alcohol in life is very important, like have a healthy body or have a happy family, and you also be able to focus on your studies or your work, and it will take care of your life and not put other at risk. This is so important too. Some research from CDC studies say that drinking too much alcohol can be harmful to your health. In the United States, drinking costs more than 95,000 deaths annually and shorten the life of those who die by an average of 29 years. Additionally, brain drinking was responsible for 1 in 10 adult deaths working age between 20 and 64 years. The economic cost of excessive alcohol consumption in 2010 was estimated at 249 billion or 2.05 per drink dollar. There's many techniques to avoid alcoholism and keep alcohol out of your home is one of the most important. Do some sport activities to keep your body active. Avoid people or places that make you drink. Talk to a friend, family member, or church leader when you feel like drinking for advice. And the best technique to avoid alcoholism is the prevention. Well, now it's time to do some practical activity and just for fun and at the same time learn more about this topic. In this activity, we will divide ourselves into two groups and we will create a song that is related to the team in order to have a little fun and at the same time get know each other better as a group. Okay, so this is time for a beautiful song. Well, the workshop philosophy is um, reflect on the damage that the consumption of alcoholic beverage can cause to our bodies or to our families and the society in which we live. Life is very short, and we must ensure that our experience on this earth is pleasant and not full of disease. You must be used to study and work for a better future. This is what you need to do. In conclusion, what did we learn today? What do you think? What change will we make? You don't need to drink alcohol just because everyone else does. You don't need to drink alcohol to go to a party or be part of a society. Love your body, live life, and be happy. Do not allow alcohol to take over your thought and your action. Do not suffer from an intoxicated and sick body. Please, life healthy and be happy. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have um, more question or if you want to participate, uh, it's the time. And thank you everyone.